If you live in North Carolina and you're thinking about protecting your retirement savings with physical gold, this video will walk you step by step through how to buy a gold IRA in North Carolina and what retirees here need to understand before making a move. This is especially relevant if you're retiring in Charlotte after a career in banking, finance, or corporate leadership, living in Raleigh, Durham, or the broader research triangle after decades in tech, biotech, or university systems, or settling near Fayetteville and Fort Liberty after military service and federal employment. North Carolina retirees operate in a financial environment that sits between affordability and rising long-term pressure. While the state is often seen as more affordable than places like New York or New Jersey, inflation, healthcare costs, and retirement taxes still create real challenges. A gold IRA is one strategy some North Carolina retirees use as part of a broader plan to protect purchasing power, diversify beyond traditional market-based assets, and preserve long-term financial stability. Before we go any further, I need to make a clear disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only and should not be considered tax, legal, or financial advice. Every retirement situation is unique. Tax laws change, estate planning rules evolve, and your income sources may differ significantly from someone else in your county. Always consult a qualified financial advisor, tax professional, or retirement specialist before moving money from any retirement account. As I was researching this topic, I leaned heavily on educational materials from firms that specialize specifically in gold IRAs, including Augusta Precious Metals. They focus a lot on investor education rather than hype, which is helpful when you're dealing with something as serious as retirement planning. I'll leave a link to their free educational guide in the description below if you want more details. One of the biggest reasons gold is being considered in North Carolina is what I'll call the cost of living balance. Compared to many high-tax coastal states, North Carolina still offers a relatively manageable cost of living, but retirees are far from immune to inflation. Housing costs have risen sharply in metro areas like Charlotte and Raleigh. Healthcare expenses continue climbing, and the price of groceries, utilities, insurance, and fuel reflects national inflation trends rather than local averages. Even if the state feels cheaper on paper, retirees living on fixed income still feel the pressure when everyday essentials keep becoming more expensive year after year. North Carolina also uses a flat state income tax system, sitting at 4% in 2026 and scheduled to decline further to 3.5% by 2027. While that is lower than many states, it still means retirement withdrawals from traditional IRAs and 401k plans create tax consequences that need to be managed carefully. For retirees withdrawing significant amounts each year, the focus often shifts from how much they earn to how much they actually keep after taxes and inflation. Gold becomes part of that conversation because it is often viewed as a long-term hedge against currency devaluation and purchasing power erosion, rather than just another speculative investment. Another major factor is diversification away from paper-heavy portfolios. Many retirees in Charlotte spent decades inside the banking and financial services world. Their retirement savings are often heavily concentrated in stocks, mutual funds, index funds, and employer-sponsored plans tied closely to the broader market. In Raleigh-Durham and the Research Triangle, many professionals come from tech, biotech, and academic institutions, where retirement wealth is also deeply connected to market performance through 401ks and 403bs. These individuals often understand market cycles very well and recognize the importance of owning at least one asset class that does not move in lockstep with the S&P 500 or technology-heavy indices. Gold often serves as that non-correlated anchor. There is also a military and veteran planning mindset that shapes retirement decisions in North Carolina. With one of the country's largest military populations, centered around Fort Liberty and surrounding areas, many retirees come out of long careers with the military. Federal service, or defense contracting. These individuals often rely on pensions, TSP accounts, and structured retirement planning. They tend to value stability, preparedness, and inflation protection. For veterans rolling over a thrift savings plan after retirement, a gold IRA can serve as a way to protect service-earned savings from inflation, while creating another layer of financial independence outside traditional government-managed investment options. It's important to clarify something foundational before going further. A gold IRA is not a North Carolina-specific account. It is a federal retirement account, governed by IRS rules, under Internal Revenue Code Section 408M. This section defines which precious metals qualify, the required purity standards, and how the metals must be stored. These rules apply uniformly across all 50 states. A gold IRA operates within the same tax-deferred framework as a traditional IRA, except instead of holding stocks, bonds, or mutual funds, it holds IRS-approved physical precious metals. Compliance with these federal rules is essential to maintaining the tax-advantaged status of the account. Let's talk about where most North Carolina Gold IRA funding actually comes from. One major source is financial and professional services in Charlotte. Executives, analysts, advisors, and corporate professionals often retire with very large 401k balances after decades in banking and finance. These are financially sophisticated individuals who understand concentration risk and macroeconomic cycles. Many use gold IRAs as part of a broader wealth preservation strategy, especially when much of their retirement wealth is tied to market-based assets. Another major group comes from the Research Triangle. Employees at Research Triangle Park, along with professionals from Duke, UNC, NC State, and major biotech and healthcare institutions, often retire with substantial 401k and 403b balances. These accounts are heavily exposed to stock and bond markets. Upon retirement, they can be rolled into a self-directed IRA through a direct trustee-to-trustee transfer. Many choose to allocate a portion into a gold IRA to create a private layer of diversification that sits outside the traditional equity market. Military retirees form a third major category. Career service members and veterans near Fort Liberty often build significant balances inside the thrift savings plan. Once retirement begins, TSP balances can be rolled into a traditional IRA without triggering taxes when done correctly. Many veterans choose to move a portion into a gold IRA because physical gold provides a sense of long-term security and stability that aligns with the disciplined planning mindset developed during military service. Here's how buying a gold IRA works, step by step. The first step is opening a self-directed IRA with an IRS-approved non-bank custodian. These custodians specialize in alternative assets and ensure your account follows IRS regulations. The second step is funding your account, usually through a direct rollover or transfer from an existing 401k, 403b, 457 plan, or TSP. It's important to emphasize a direct, trustee-to-trustee rollover to avoid the mandatory 20% IRS withholding tax and to keep the process smooth with any relevant tax authorities. The third step is selecting IRS-approved investment-grade metals. Gold must meet a minimum purity of 0.995, and silver must meet a minimum purity of 0.999. The final step is storage. The gold is owned by your IRA, not by you personally, and it must be stored in an IRS-approved third-party depository under the custody of your account. This ensures compliance with federal regulations, protects your investment from personal liability, and guarantees that your metals are properly secured. Now let's talk about what I'll call the Tar Heel wins and gotchas. One major advantage is that North Carolina does not impose a state-level estate tax or inheritance tax. This is a significant benefit compared to states where retirees must carefully structure assets just to avoid state death taxes. For high-net-worth individuals, this means gold IRA holdings can be included in long-term estate planning without creating an additional layer of state-level taxation. Another important benefit is that North Carolina does not tax Social Security income at the state level. That gives retirees more flexibility when coordinating retirement withdrawals. Because Social Security is protected, retirees can focus on managing IRA distributions and other taxable income more efficiently. Combined with the state's relatively low flat income tax rate, this creates opportunities for better tax planning, especially when withdrawals are timed carefully. However, there is one area that creates confusion: sales tax treatment on precious metals. Unlike states with very simple blanket exemptions, North Carolina has more specific rules and nuances around bullion purchases. This can create unnecessary complications for someone buying gold personally. The Gold IRA structure helps solve that problem, because the metals are purchased within a federally regulated retirement account and shipped directly to an approved out-of-state depository, often in Delaware or Texas. This keeps the transaction separate from local retail tax complications and simplifies compliance. So who is this strategy really for? In North Carolina, it often fits the Charlotte finance executive protecting a high-balance 401k after decades of market exposure. It fits the research triangle professional who wants to diversify 403b or 401k savings outside of tech-heavy portfolios. It may also fit the military retiree who wants to protect TSP assets earned over a career of service. The common mindset here is strategic wealth preservation, using North Carolina's favorable tax structure and federal IRA rules to build a retirement portfolio that is resilient, diversified, and less dependent on market volatility. A gold IRA is not a replacement for pensions, Social Security, or disciplined financial planning. It is one component of a diversified retirement strategy. But in a state like North Carolina, where affordability still exists but inflation and market concentration remain real concerns, understanding how to properly structure and buy a gold IRA can play an important role in preserving wealth, protecting purchasing power, and maintaining long-term financial confidence in retirement. If you want to learn more, Augusta Precious Metals offers a free educational guide that explains how gold IRAs work, the potential risks and fees involved, and whether this strategy makes sense for your situation. The guide walks through the rollover process, storage requirements, and common mistakes to avoid, helping you decide whether this strategy fits into your broader retirement plan. There's no obligation, it's purely informational. You can click the link in the description box below this video to grab the free guide and learn more about protecting your retirement with physical gold.